Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 100 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the vibration option. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the vibration menu. And here we can select one of the levels. We have high, low and none. Select the one you like by tapping on it. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.